Hey guys, I'm Kevin. One of the reasons why I'm really excited about getting a Rising Award, this one here means a lot to me because my mentor, Debbie Allen, highly paid expert. What she did was showed us not only how to build a business and build funnels so that people can be with you, but then at the end of the year, she actually took the time. She created an award like this and allowed us to showcase just what happened. So what I'm going to do is, at some point, I'm going to take you on a stage so you can see where we were, because she actually created a moment for us. So we can reflect back on what she gave us and how things actually unfolded, not just for us, but so that the room could also see it too. So I'm really excited to show you this. Now on this stage, this one here, just coming up the stairs, boy, it meant so much to me, because I began to realize the hard work I put in, and even just, you want to be honest, just the faith of becoming myself. Recognizing that as an employee, it's good to be, it's really, really good to actually have a mindset as an entrepreneur. But then as an employee, how do I shift that over here? So many times. That's kind of the biggest part that I noticed in the room. So being with them, that was the part I wanted to impart with others. So with my friend Christy, Debbie actually had us here. And Christy had an opportunity to share her journey with Debbie. And what I love about what she said was like how to really chunk moments of time. Yeah, we're busy, we have jobs, families, and yet there's still a way to become that person we know ourselves to be. And then we actually had Stacy. Now Stacy was special. You see, in my pharmacy industry, I was actually creating things with Stacy when I found out pharmacists were getting let go. Some of the cashiers and technicians were being relieved. And so it was just amazing to see and be with her, because what we found here at the Highly Paid Expert, not only are we getting rewards, but what Debbie is creating is a business family. And then when it was my turn, man, not only was I telling people about how to own their brilliance, like I was learning how to do for myself, and how to really just grow and evolve and manifest as the real man I know myself to be. It was really special sharing it with the room, because I knew there were people here who needed to actually hear that and be with me. I knew that even though I'm looking at other people's progress, and you know how we do sometimes, I knew that I had something to say. And what I knew as what my skill set was somebody else's oxygen. So this was very special for me, not because I'm somebody special, but because I had an opportunity to not only showcase the work, what it looks like to be an entrepreneur, but to get other people to step so that they can go out and do the same. Guys, if you actually never been to a Highly Paid Expert before, you want to get here for this, because an award like this, it truly showcases all the hard work you put into it.
What I'm loving most about this Debbie Allen seminar is the possibilities that are here. I'm seeing myself doing the possibilities for me doing things I've never dreamed of.
Not only do you walk away with tons of information that will help your business, your career, even your personal life, what I love about this the most is I saw 3 people today, which Debbie calls her rising stars. Now, these are folks just like you, just like me, that started off at a specific level and have upped their game through the coaching, the mentorship, and the value that Debbie brings to these programs.
All right, guys, we're just wrapping up a wonderful day at the Highly Paid Expert Workshop with the one and only Debbie Allen. And I'm going to take y'all behind the scenes, because earlier it was like amazing. Like after the event ended, we had an opportunity to have fun. Like, okay, there was dinner, that was cool. We had a chance to sit down and have a conversation with Debbie. We didn't really sit down, we stood up. You gotta hear why Debbie does it. It's like amazing. And then Kevin, this Kevin Gons guy, he's like really incredible. You'll see him and Debbie kind of interacting. And then I asked him if I could just take the camera inside for a little while and kind of show you guys some things that were going on that I think were really, really cool. Now, on stage, you had an opportunity to see some of her presenters, some of her clients, and these are clients she helped them go from where they were to where they need to be now. And Mona is totally amazing. Her story of being in a cardboard box, literally, to where she is now, which is going to the White House, and then having her business. Oh my God, it's amazing. And I found out she wears those colors, crimson and cream. That's right, she's a Delta for all my Kappa men. What's up, brothers? What's up? Phi Nu. But in all seriousness, I've got to tell you about the most important part. And that was hearing Debbie really speaking the heart. And I hope we're going to show you that. You're going to hear from Debbie. And I'm going to encourage all of you to make sure you connect with her. And Norm, my gosh, I didn't think this would allow me to go behind the scenes and show you guys some stuff that's really proprietary. Like, you'll get a chance to go to the wall, and there are these hearts that they have there. And I can't tell you why it would happen, but there's hearts, and then you'll see some yellow things that will be up there. It's like really incredible. I ate here earlier at lunch. I just wanted to check in, let y'all know this was amazing. It was incredible. Tomorrow, be there. I'm gonna take y'all behind the scenes. I'll see you later. Debbie, you rock. For those folks out there, make sure you go over to the happyentrepreneurshow.com. Like the page, join us, follow us. I'll see you soon. With that being said, by the way, my name, for those folks that are hearing me for the first time, my name is Shay Brown, the Happy Entrepreneur. Make it a great day, everyone. I promise from the bottom of my heart, we'll make some good things happen. We connect again next time. God bless, and I wish you success. Peace.